What's up folks? Do you want to change the main menu character in Counter-Strike 2? Well, in this video, I'll show how you can do just that. Let's start. First of all, fire up CS2 on your computer. Now, to change the character, click on this icon from the lower right corner of the screen and select Show Equipped T Agent. But if you have the T Agent equipped, select Show Equipped CT Agent. Now, let's customize the agent. To do that, click that icon again and select View Agent in Loadout. From here, you will be able to change the default CT or T Agent. You will also be able to change their gloves, the knife and the gun they're holding, the default music, etc. You should be able to change the graffiti. And that's about it. So that's how you customize your main menu character in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If the video proved to be useful, please hit the like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.